you see right now how he has his hand on my hand?
Yes.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Roshan, you're protecting your ice cream investment?
Seriously.
Oh my god, look at him. He's crazy.
Mommy, can you open your door? Just so the air comes in. Thanks.
Roshan, you put it all over your face.
Taking a video?
Well, Rosharuni chowing down. He's still holding Mama's hand. He's so scared, so I'm gonna take it. Sorry, Mom, you thought you had ice cream. That was pretty silly.
It's okay, at least his face isn't in the ice cream anymore.
Oh,
That's a big piece.
Oh, Roshan.
that's a big hunk.
Oh, yum, yum. Huh? Can you say yum, yum?
Yeah, that's a good piece.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, wow.
You're gonna get a brain freeze, man. Look, he's not even hesitating to go back in.
Wait, Rita. It's cold. No, not that big.
Oh my god, you're funny.
What flavor did you get, man?
Cookies and cream?
Oh.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's.
No,
Let's
no.
see.
No, बेटा उसके एकदम हो जाएगा.
Ah? Can you put ah?
Yeah, okay.
No, I don't want it. I don't.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay. Even your mom couldn't eat the whole thing.
You eat it.
Okay, now he's got because it's become very cold, I'm sure.
Okay, that's
Good job, Roshan.